Namaste students. Let us speak about the sample question paper of economics 24-25. You can easily download this PDF over CBSE academic website. Let's begin. Read the following statements, assertion and reason. Choose the correct option from those given below. Assertion: the government can reduce the deflationary gap by purchasing government securities in the open market. Reason: the central bank purchases government securities in the open market to increase the lending capacity of commercial banks. Options: Option A: both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B: both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C: assertion is true, but reason is false. Option D: assertion is false, but reason is true. Every time you come across assertion and reason type MCQ in your question paper, first identify whether they are true statements or not. Mark the statements as true or false. If the assertion is a false statement, without much thought, you can choose the option D, because that is the only option which says assertion is false. But if assertion is a true statement, go ahead and notice if reason statement is true or not. If true, then analyze whether the assertion is the phenomenon that occurs because of the reason that they have given, and choose the correct option whichever is applicable among A or B. In this particular MCQ, what is the right answer? The assertion statement is the government can reduce the deflationary gap by purchasing government securities in the open market. Think, is this something that the government does? No. It is something that the central bank of the nation does. It is the central bank of the nation that carries on the open market operations. In our nation, it is the Reserve Bank of India which will carry on the open market operations so that the deflationary or inflationary pressures in the economy could be controlled. As said earlier, Since the assertion is false, you can directly choose option D. Assertion is false but reason is true, because that is the only option in which it is given that assertion is false. In rest of the three options, you can see it has been claimed that assertion is true. Thank you. Let's continue in the next video.